Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Today I will be making butternut squash pasta. First I will boil the butternut squash over medium heat with 1.5 cup of water. Butternut squash has started boiling. I will cover the pot and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Squash is ready. It's very tender. While squash is cooling off, we will boil the pasta. Add the pasta. This should take 6 to 7 minutes. Pasta is ready and now I am ready to make the sauce. I am going to make the puree. Now I am ready to make the sauce. Add oil, maida, stir and cook for about a minute. Cream, milk, salt, black pepper, fennel seeds. Let it come to boil. Then I will add the squash. Now stir it and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. I have to do the individual serving. It's looking good and it's ready to garnish. And what do you think? It looks beautiful.